Hi guys, this is the rechargeable swimming pool leaf vacuum from Yowski. If you have a lot of leaves falling into your above ground pool, in-ground pool, or spa, then this might be the product that you need. This thing have a 2-in-1 function. It functions as a skimmer and a vacuum so that you can clean all the debris that fell to your pool floor. The company sent this product to me so I can do a quick unboxing and demonstration of this product, so let's go ahead and do that. Inside the bag, you'll have your user manual and your warranty card, and make sure that you don't lose the pin that is inside the bag where the user manual and warranty card is located. You're going to be needing this pin to assemble your product. It also comes with this handle. You have the 3-piece telescoping pole, so this thing is going to give you a reach from 18.5 inches to 70.8 inches. And the good thing about this is a standard size pole, so if you have the longer pole, you should be able to use it to extend your reach. You have this 6.6 gallon capacity mesh bag, and you also have this power adapter, and this is your vacuum head. So this vacuum head have an 83 gallon per minute flow rate. It also have a built-in battery that will last up to 180 minutes work time, and you can charge it from 0 to 100% in 90 minutes. To charge the vacuum, you simply need to remove this cover and you plug in your adapter. Your power adapter will have a red light right here while you're charging, and the red light is going to turn green once you're done charging. When you're done charging, you simply need to unplug it and put the cover back in. This is your power button, so you just press this to turn on and press it again to turn off. So let's go ahead and assemble the product. So to assemble, we just need to get these 2 pins, and you just want to grab the handle and insert it right here. And then you just want to push the pin in. You want to make sure that the pin snaps so it will lock in. And when you're ready, just install the pole in, press these 2 white buttons and snap it in. And then from here, you just want to add the other pole so you can have longer reach. Then you just want to grab your mesh bag and put it right here. And you want to lock this in by pulling this closer, okay? If you look under, you'll have 3 wheels that will help you glide through your floor, and also to make sure that you have enough space so that you're not pushing the leaves around. So first, if you want to use this as a skimmer, you just want to push this thing all the way so it will lock in. And now you have a skimmer that you can use to clean the surface of your pool. So let's go ahead and do this. Since the vacuum is light, you can use this as a pool skimmer with a fan on or off. And when you have the fan off, you can simply catch the surface debris, or you can turn the fan on and it will pull the debris into your skimmer and into the mesh bag. What I learned from using this unit for just a few minutes is that you'll need to have the fan completely underwater in order for it to pull all the leaves into the mesh basket. If you can hear the fan splashing on the water, you will need to lower the skimmer head a little. Here's another view on the skimmer as it pulls the leaves into the mesh basket. As a floor vacuum, it has more suction power since it's running under the water. I like the built-in wheels that provide space between the vacuum and the floor. This makes sure that you don't accidentally push the leaves out. Okay guys, so these are all the stuff I was able to remove. So basically, to clean this, you just want to loosen this knot right here and just pull your mesh. Okay, so and you just want to dry this thing off and just store it until you need it again.